You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing noble titles from the royal family of the United Kingdom Stadium, I've got more videos for you. It's from Scotland. The pronunciation is as Buccleuch, the Duke or Duke of Buccleuch. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.